now joined by a very special guest that we're so proud to have on board. It's our destination expert. Welcome, Vickie. Hello, Vickie.
I'm so glad to be here. So glad to be here.
You are one of like seven, no, not even, 5 Canadians on the crew.
Wow, really?
Actually, I don't know if
I'm
there's that
sorry
many.
to hear that.
No, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
There's me, you, that's 2.
Mhm.
Sorry, I'm not very good at counting.
Yeah.
There's Jerry,
Oh.
the shopping concierge.
Oh, okay.
There's a dancer. There's 4 of us.
Yeah. Excellent! Yay!
Who? Oh, Jim, our sound technician. There's 5.
Oh, wow! Excellent.
He's
Yeah.
literally standing right there.
You probably know similar people, right? Right. Yeah.
Well, we all know each
Yeah,
other.
we all
yeah.
know each other.
So you are the expert when it comes to all the destinations.
Yeah. I think so.
You like to think so.
Yeah.
You do amazing presentations. We're so
Great.
lucky to have you on board
Aw, thanks.
because there's so many of you that we employ each year, but we get the best on the Majestic because we're the first one back, so
wonderful.
we're able to get you here.
Yeah.
We're so excited. So first of all, how do you become a destination presenter?
Well, I've been cruising forever. I just love it. And of course, if you're a fan of cruising and you go home, you talk with all your friends and family, they're like, they're tired of hearing it. So I started blogging and writing about travel and just kept that going for years. And then when I retired from my career, I thought, well, what could I do? Because I was always helping other people. And I thought, well, you know what? I thankfully had a really great entertainment director that I knew, Ron Goodman.
Oh, hello.
And he said, you make a great destination expert. So I put together a presentation. I sent it off to head office, and with some, great support from Ron. My first contract was the Royal Princess when it did its grand voyage around South America for 49 days.
Yeah.
Excellent. That actually, I would say, is my area of specialty, South America and the Mediterranean. But hey, nothing better than coming to Mexico for when it's cold in Canada.
Well, I've seen your presentations on Mexico, and they're fabulous.
Oh, great. Thanks.
You know more than I do. I've been coming here for so many years,
Yeah.
so the fact that you know so much of it's impressive. And you don't just tell them what to see. You tell them about tips and like how to negotiate, like with taxi drivers and like how to get around. Like you're giving them all the insight that they need.
Yeah. I think it's really important because anybody can go and just go off and figure things out. But I really wanted people to be on a journey, and I say being part of a journey is learning a bit about the culture, music, the food, the drinks, right?
Mm-hmm.
You might not ever get another chance to sample different types of quality of tequila, but going ashore and having that, you can then say, hey, I've traveled to Mexico and I learned a little bit. But then I cover the beaches and I cover sites to see. And then I always end with practical information because, I can't, everybody's like, where's the nearest store? I need to refill, whatever they need to get ashore, So those are the little things. Being a cruiser, I know what people are sort of wanting. So I can help them that way as well.
Yeah, all of your lectures, by the way, they it depends on what's happening around the ship. So the venues do change between Red Princess Theater and Princess Live. But all the details can be found in your Princess Pattern or in Journey View. And then, by the way, you're always around the ship, so stop and say hello, right?
Yes, and I will always have desk hours. It'll be the International Cafe, which I consider my office. And I'll have my coffee, and we'll always be there. I'm traveling with my husband, Bernie. He knows the ports just as well as I do, and so one of us, if you see any of us, even up in the buffet, just say, hey, Vickie, I'm heading ashore, I have this quick question, we're happy to help. But definitely check the pattern, watch my lectures online, on the TV. Better to come out, see it live, but and then find out when I'm going to be available when we're in port to answer questions.
Sorry, very quickly, you touched on that. I completely forgot that. That's right. All of our lectures are recorded and then put into the entertainment tab under My Cruise. So if you need to rewatch anything, because again, you're going to be there in person, but if you need to rewatch it, you can see it there.
You definitely see more if you're here live. I cover a little bit more. Yeah.
Yeah, she gives you more. And the show and the music and the stripping, it's all there. Vickie, thank you for joining us. We'll be right back after this.